Nancy and welcome back to my channel. You like my hair flip? It's not as dramatic as it used to be, but I absolutely freaking love my new hair. New year, new me, who dis? I'm kidding. For today's video, I brought to you this pinky Valentine's Day look. I absolutely love the outcome, and Valentine's Day is gonna be here sooner than you even expected, guys. Like, time flies, man. I'm also gonna try and do a red look for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can watch more. Talking about subscribers, thank you all so freaking much. I reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, guys. It means a lot to me. 1,000 subscribers was always my goal ever since I started YouTube, and here I am now. So thank you all for allowing me to reach my goal, and now let's go ahead and keep it coming, guys. If you want to find out how I did this look, then you should definitely keep watching. Hey everyone, the palette that I'll be using today is the Kylie Jenner her 20th edition birthday palette, and it says I want it all. I figured that this would be a really good palette to use because it has lots of pinks and shimmery colors. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna do one eye on camera and one off of camera. I'll be taking a NYX blending brush. This one's the number 16. The first color that I'll be going in with is let's go ahead and go in with Forever Young, and I'm gonna use that as a crease shadow. I kind of built up the color on it, and I just kept going back and forth. So I'm gonna be going in with this color right here. This one is the New Black, and I'm gonna place that in the inner and outer corner of the eye. And again, I'm just gonna intensify it, and I'm just gonna build it up. And now what I'm doing is whatever is left over on the brush with the color, I'm just extending it to this part, the crease of the eye, and I'm just gonna blend it out with the other first color that we started off with. This brush right here it's called a pencil brush. I'm gonna take that first color that we first started with and that same brush that we first started with, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. Okay, and I do really like the effect that it's having on there, but I do want to make the inner and outer corner a little bit darker. So I'm going to be going in with this color right here. It's called New Year, New Me. To be honest with you, it is a shimmery color, so I'm kind of scared to see what it's going to look like because I am going to put a shimmery color in the middle, but let's experiment and let's see how it goes. Hopefully this goes well. It looks good. It looks really good. And I'm not going to extend the purpley color towards the crease. I'm just going to go back in with the pencil brush, and I'm going to blend them out together. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to take some concealer, and I'm going to clean up this middle part. I pretty much only cleaned up this top part right here. Oh my god, excuse my nails, guys. I need to go do them, and they're like chipping off, and it's so embarrassing, but I haven't had a day off, so I can't go do them. I only cut this top part right here, and I really didn't clean up this area right here. So I kind of like that for that to be a little bit messy because we're just gonna go ahead and blend that out later on anyway. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take any flat brush, and I'm gonna be going in with the color, this one right here. It's called Birthday Girl, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Now I'm going to go back in with the two brushes that I took, the purpley color and the pinkish color, and I'm just going to blend it out because as you can see, you kind of lost some color in this area right here. So I'm just going to intensify it a little bit more and blend it out together. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a liquid marker for eyeliner. I'm not gonna do like a wing liner. I'm gonna do like a really thin line. This one is from Ciate London, and then this is Fierce Flick. I don't know what color this is, but I got this in my Ipsy bag. Guys, did y'all see that? Oh my god, screw my life. You know what? Don't even do this. No. Just use this black shadow right here and just line your... Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm so mad right now. Oh my god. It doesn't come off easy. Don't be a dummy like me and do that. So I'm just gonna take a brow brush because it's angled. So what I'm doing is I'm using the Clear Midnight, just tapping it once, dusting it off, and then I'm just going to apply it as close to my eye as possible. So you can choose to do the black line, you can choose not to do the black line. I personally think that it looked better without the black line, but I'm too far in now, guys, so don't be silly like me and make that mistake. For the lashes I'll be using today are these Bombshell Cosmetica lashes. I already used them. I absolutely fell in love with these lashes. This is what they look like. I think they're called So Fetch. And if you do want to purchase some lashes, then I do have a discount code. You can use the code nancifraire for some money taken off at checkout. Wow, I love it! I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. Guys, I finally got a new hula thanks to my little sister. She gave it to me for Christmas because I literally completely ran out of my hula. I bought one myself in this thing right here. It has a big hula, and then I got one for Christmas for my little sister. So thanks, little sister. Now I have a whole stack of hula by Benefit, and I'm just gonna bronze up my face. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the blush that the palette comes with. It's called Cheers. I love this pinky color and great for Valentine's Day. For highlighter, I'm also going to be using the highlighter that this palette comes with. It's called Confetti. Lastly, the lipstick that I'll be going in with is this MAC lipstick. This one is in the color Natural Quirk. And I am going to be putting some gloss over it. This one is NYX Mega Shine Lip Gloss. This one is in the color Beige Pearl. So I'm just going to put a little bit of gloss over that. Gotta be glassy for your man on Valentine's Day. And I only put the gloss in the middle so it can give it a little shine to it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. I actually didn't really know what I was gonna do, but I absolutely loved the outcome. If some of you guys actually recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on social media. I'd love to see your recreations. You're gonna serve looks for your man on Valentine's Day, girl. Alright guys, so thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time.